Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bellate. Welcome to my English video tutorial. In this video, we're gonna learn the 5 basic sentence patterns. Communicating and writing in English can be difficult for some students. That's why we should learn the 5 basic sentence patterns. Let's learn English in a simple way. 5 basic sentence patterns. SV, SVC, SVDO, SVIODO, and SVDOOC. Here are the 5 basic sentence patterns. Subject is a person or thing that is being discussed or described in a sentence. Verb is a word that shows or tells an action or state of being. Complement is a word that gives more information about either the subject or the object. Direct object, receiver of the action. Indirect object is a person or thing that receives what is being given or done. The boy sings. Who sings? The boy. The boy is the subject in the sentence. What does the boy do? Sings. The boy sings. Now we have the subject-verb pattern. Next sentence, the basketball player is tall. Let's ask this question. Who is tall? The basketball player. The basketball player is a subject in the sentence. Tall is an adjective that describes the subject. The basketball player is tall. The basketball player is a subject. Verb is, and the word tall is a complement. Tall is an adjective that describes the subject. So we have the SVC pattern. Now we have the next sentence. Belle ate a box of chocolates. The question is, who ate a box of chocolates? Belle ate a box of chocolates. Belle is the subject in this sentence. Next question. What did Belle do? Belle ate a box of chocolates. Ate is the verb in this sentence. Now we have another question. What did Belle eat? Belle ate a box of chocolates. So what's the receiver of your action? A box of chocolates, and that is your direct object. Now we have the SVDO pattern. Rafi sent Belle a letter. Rafi sent Belle a letter. Who sent the letter? Rafi sent Belle a letter. Therefore, Rafi is the subject in this sentence. What did Rafi do? Rafi sent Belle a letter. The word sent is the verb in this sentence. To whom did Rafi send a letter? Rafi sent Belle a letter. So Belle is your indirect object. What did Rafi send to Belle? Rafi sent Belle a letter. A letter is your direct object. Rafi sent Belle a letter. Now we have your SVIODO pattern. Now we have another sentence here. Belle calls her pet baby. Who calls her pet baby? Belle calls her pet baby. Belle is the subject in this sentence. What does Belle do? Belle calls her pet baby. So what's the verb here? Calls. Calls is your verb. Belle calls her pet baby. What is the receiver of the action? The receiver of your action is your direct object, her pet. Belle calls her pet baby. What does Belle call her pet? Belle calls her pet baby, and baby is your object complement. Baby is your object complement. So now we have your subject, verb, direct object, and object complement.